Hello, welcome I3 Automations, Industrial Automation, Robotics and IT Solutions. Today I'm gonna talk about 8 items. The first one gonna be about us, about I3 Automations, COVID-19. Can the coronavirus pandemic speed up remote access to plants? Is your business currently being negatively affected by the coronavirus? What have the companies used to reduce the impact of coronavirus? How remote access can help you in today's day? What IT automations can do for you right now? With existing clients, what IT automation does with remote access? Lifting your automation to a higher level with I3 automations. So, about us, we are a full-service system integrators. We design and implement fully integrated process control and safety system. We have worked across verticals: automotive, oil and gas, theme park, food beverage, packaging, mining metal, wastewater treatment plant, and water treatment plant. We have expertise in leading controller platforms like Rock Automation, Siemens, Schneider, ABB, VT SCADA, Kuka Robotics, Wonderware, GF Nuke, and has experience with multi-million-dollar PLC-based control systems. Builds only the latest state-of-the-art technology and software solutions that exceed industry and standards. We automate your industry, make simple, fast, and reliable. COVID-19. Can the coronavirus pandemic speed up remote access to plants? So, the World Health Organization has declared that COVID-19 coronavirus outbreak a pandemic with over 180,000 confirmed cases at this time of writing. Even the most optimistic analysts feared we are heading towards a global recession. So for sure we have a lot of problems, not just about health, but the organizations, some organizations are getting closed. So this is the worst situation that we are right now. Production problems, restriction put in the place by governments to contain or delay the spread of COVID-19 have placed difficulties on many companies operating in affected countries. In Italy, the worst affected nation outside of China, the national lockdown currently in effect has resulted in Alta Zinc closing down production at its flagship project in Norfolk, Italy. Italy's current lockdown is scheduled to continue until 3 April, but Italian authorities acknowledge that the lockdown could be extended if necessary. So, this is a very troubling time for everyone across the globe. The question is your business currently being negatively affected by the coronavirus? In this figure number 1, about half of surveyors responded said their companies were experiencing negative effects from coronavirus. So, for sure, your company, like my company, are affected by coronavirus right now, right? So, what the companies have been doing to minimize the effects about coronavirus? The top 10 response were: they are limiting travel, working on contingency plans now, expect to see changes soon, encouraging work from home, eliminating travel, delaying or eliminating hiring, adding supply chain contingencies, secondary source, delaying or eliminating investments, mandating work from home for tools that can, for sure, adding new manufacturing capabilities to make up for breaks in supply chain, increase production of relevant product categories to meet increased demand. So, for sure, one of these you are doing right now, right? Or you are limiting travel or reduce hours to work from home or in the company. Yeah, for sure, this time is a changing times. And for sure, this pandemic will change manufacturing in North America. One of the positive effects that may come out of the COVID-19 crisis is that the manufacturers could become increasingly interested in how remote access, remote monitoring, and automation can help their business both from a production and workforce augmentation standpoint. Post-crisis, manufacturers will need to ensure they have the flexibility to deal with portions of their workforce being out of the plant in case of emergency, and to be able to accommodate SKU change on the go as production ramps up or down to meet demand. So, how remote access can help you in today's day? The first question is, what can you do online? We can do online a lot of stuff. For example, we can do track operations online, we can monitor material consumption, we can monitor energy consumption, we can immediately spot if something is wrong, we can configure machines or PLCs remotely, and just like being on site, like we can see in this picture right now. Data collected from experienced support engineers indicate that an estimated 60 to 70% of machine problems simply require a software upgrade or change to a few parameters, and this can often be done remotely. Remote access lets machine builders avoid time-consuming and expensive on-site work for troubleshooting many problems in the field. What IT automations can do for you right now? Some questions are necessary to do right now before IT automations help you. So the first one is, what is the size of your company? This company has an IT team. How many control panels has your process? How many places has an HMI or SCADA system? What do you think that is more important on remote access monitoring? Do you have a maintenance contract for a control system? So, with these questions, I will understand your system and I can create a model, a great model for your remote system for your business. So, in this picture we can see like HMI, PLC, camera, and for sure sometimes in your company you have a lot of PLCs, you have a lot of HMI, you have a lot of cameras, and with the system you can see remotely. And for us, IT automations, we can support you all time, 24/7. So, a cloud-based secure remote access network, ease of use, plug and play remote access does not need technical configuration. Security parameters such as hash functions and encryption, decryption algorithms are reconfigured automatically. Virtual IP addresses make multi-point access effortless with no field IP reconfiguration needed. The connection is centrally monitored and managed. The cloud service is the central point for establishing and managing remote connections. Administrators can monitor traffic status and volume of each connection by connecting to the cloud server. Cloud-based server portals let administrators create, cancel, or redefine client access. add or remove remote gateways and connected equipment through the centralized portal. With existing clients, what IT automation does with remote access. Basically, we use remote access for troubleshooting, monitoring, maintenance, and diagnostics. What are the benefits for you? I listed here 4 examples, but we have a lot of more than this. But the first one is maintenance contract. Low cost of maintenance contracts with us, because we will not have the expensive traveling. If I need go to the customer, if I need go to you, before go to you, I will see your system remotely and I can figure out what is happening. This is a good deal. The second one is minimize downtime. Remote system monitoring for industrial automations help manufacturers reduce overhaul costs by minimizing downtime, improving productive and streamlining maintenance. Valuable insights. Remote monitoring readily provides analytics to help manufacturers better visualize trends in the performance over time, allowing personnel to make more informed decisions regarding equipment, health, and efficiency. Dashboards can be customized to ensure real-time access to all the necessary graphs, reports, and alerts. Predictive maintenance. It is imperative that all operating equipment are well maintained and checked routinely to ensure optimal health. Remote system monitoring can track equipment parameters such as vibration and temperature and alert manufacturers when a parameter is strayed outside of the unacceptable range well before the issue causes a shutdown. At IT Automations, we understand that every investment your company makes is important to your success, and we consider client success our top priority. To ensure that your manufacturing automation investments help you achieve your goals, we protect your assets with IT Automation's own support. Contact us today to select your I3A remote access plan and start employing the best remote system monitoring for your industrial automation. Any questions? Let us know. I have a question for you. Do you have a remote access? Can we help you to quote them for you? Easy steps to install and get ready for a new level right now. A simple message for us and for you to our valued customer and partner community. The COVID-19 pandemic is changing rapidly and will not continue to do so. What will never change is our commitment to you, the success of your application and the enablement of you and your team to safely navigate these changing times. Our top priority is protecting the health and safety of our employees and their families and our community. At the same time, we remain committed at meeting the high standard of service and safety that our customers and partners expect. These are changing times, but the IT Automation's commitment to customer service is as strong as ever. IT Automations, lifting your automation to a higher level. Here is the bibliographic reference. And like I said, any question, contact us. Here is my contact info. I have my cell phone number here and my email address. and you can send email to us or call us right now. It's not a problem. So we are ready for you. Just let us know how can I help you right now. See you soon.